minutes to my destination. Good morning, online people. Are we excited for the day? Yes, we are excited for the day. So one follower asked me if I wanted to join sailing today. So I said, why not? There is a competition today. So we will just join it and sail. In the middle of the street. Wow. Taal Lake Yacht Club. Alright. Okay. I have no clue what I'm doing here. But yeah, I'm excited. The Taal Lake in Batangas today, and because one guy is leaving the yacht club, there is a rally going on today, but it's a fun rally, not a competition rally. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let's see what's going on today, and I'm excited to sail in the Taal Lake. Slowly everybody starts to sail, one after another. Okay, let's get ready. That's our boat. we did it back to mainland.
Okay, for Tom. There we go. The first place is Mr. Ashley. At first, he did a good start, but at the middle of the race, he had to go back. Okay?
He gave up.
Yeah, for safety. Then, at the same time, going back to the finish line, he made first. And going back over here. So, good job.
Oh, nasa yung crew mo? Hey!
Oh, yung crew!
Hoy!
Crew!
Hoy!
Oh, buisit. Hello, my name is Carl Panahon. Ich heiße Carl Panahon. Ich gewachsen in Österreich. So this one is actually a crater lake. It's called Taal Lake. It's also the deepest lake in the Philippines with 180 meters down there. Just about that spot. That island behind that one is another crater, underwater crater. So there were underwater explosions. They would have tsunamis here
It's an underwater crater.
in a freshwater lake. One of the few ones in the world.
Okay.
So now you've got like 24 craters right now, but the major one is up there, that ridge. And that's where the main explosion happens.
So there are volcanoes there actually.
This whole crater lake, when it exploded, was the fourth most powerful explosion in human history. No, not human history, but you know, whatever.
In the Philippines, probably.
Probably. Yeah.
You need to go back because the smoke is getting large.
Sailboat,
The smoke is getting bigger. That's what's the before the
That was the last people inside the crater.
Yeah.
And one of my friends was inside there. His cousins from the States came here. So all of them went inside the crater. They even took YouTube. I mean, they took videos. It's in YouTube right now. They were the last ones inside the crater. They saw, oh, the smoke is here. And then it became bigger. And I said, okay, let's go. And when they got to the Bangka, we were out there. The huge crowd was just going up.
This is so even bird. The bird, what is the warning sign of the bird? All of the bird is going. And most of the animals like pigs, horses, cows, and goats, all of them are.